Why don't I be outside?
So you can sit in it.
Why are you putting this on?
So you don't get
Cold?
huh?
Cold?
Cold? No, good idea. But it's so you don't get hair all over you. Oh, I should have combed your hair before I wet it.
Oh, what is a flower?
Oh, you see a flower? I kind of sort of know what I'm doing. I watched a YouTube video.
What has some of my hair off?
Because it was getting in your eyes.
Can we able to put that back on?
No, that's not how it works. Ugh.
Why would it be you?
Hold on. Look at Mommy, please. We need a little bit more. Close your eyes. Look up. Look up. Oh, I know the sun's out here. Hold on, I got you too wet. Oh, mercy.
Can I do it?
Okay, I need you to be still. I'm going to have scissors in your face, so you need to be still. Hold this. Did you forget what be still means? Getting your wet? Imagine that. Alright, I think we might be done now. Let's see what we got.
I'm brushing my hair.
I'm combing it. Alright.
Yeah, I was going for 70s style. You know, Luke Skywalker or He-Man. Okay, maybe that's not exactly what I was going for, but I believe that is what I achieved.
You can hop down. There's your hair.
Is this really my hair?
Yes.
Cool.
Stop moving your head. Look straight ahead, please.
Straight ahead. Head, head. Ahead, head. Ahead. I have a head. How long are we done?
Almost done. Now look up.
I'm sprinkling this hair over the garden in an attempt to dissuade the deer.
Put my mustache up like this.
like
All silly looking. You guys can cut down here.
How is Is it? I can sit on my young, you know.
It's shorter now. Oh wow, it's short.
I'm gonna miss that.
Me too. Here we go.
I don't want to cut his beard out.
I know. We don't want to cut
either.
either.
Don't mind my horror movie lights. So I just got out of the shower. My hair is damp, very much in need of a trim. In fact, this is probably the longest it's ever been. I just haven't got around to it. So I'm gonna be cutting it myself first. I'm going to get the knots out. It's hard to get around to it when you dealt with a move, a death, a pregnancy, and a diagnosis with my husband. So I cut it myself. I really enjoy doing that. But if you want to pamper yourself and go get it cut and have someone do it, that also feels really nice. Go ahead and do it. What I do is I loosen up the roots here and then you have to flip it. This will put a subtle layer in it, which I usually have. So I've got it all combed or brushed to the front. Got my scissors and my comb. Probably gonna do a half a comb, which is, I don't know, about 4 inches. Measure that, kind of group it all together here. Measure that from the longest piece, which that's gonna be a whole comb. Never done a whole comb before, but it's been a while since I've cut my hair. I'm gonna do a whole comb because it's just so long. Don't get me wrong, I like having long hair because I can braid it in different ways because I do that very often. But my husband likes it long and I like to do things for him because I love him. So, oh my gosh, it's so long. I'm gonna do like here. So that was like here. Gosh, that's gotta be like 6 to 8 inches. I grab my trash can so I can cut it over there and not make a giant mess. It's hard to do this on camera. And the good thing is, it's just hair, so it will grow back, hopefully, theoretically. Wow. So I combed it again and it's still kind of a little off, so I'm just gonna trim those stragglers off. I've been doing this for years, probably about 10 years now. You gotta loosen up the ends again and flip it back. Now, you may be thinking, oh my gosh, geometry, that's not gonna work, Amber. Your hair is gonna come out lopsided. I'm only 1/3 of the way done because now I gotta do this side. You literally brush all of your hair to the other side. And this is what will help it get that subtle frame around your face, but it'll trim up the long pieces on the sides. Pardon me, I'm just gonna double check in the mirror. Glasses makes everything more complicated. And the important thing is when you grab it is not to pull it and grab it because that will alter. You want to grab it and hold it there. So you want to make sure you're not pulling anything. Look at that, there's my one curl that I have because I have straight hair. So I'm gonna do just about a whole comb length. I mean, I'm gonna straighten it out a little bit. Ooh, that is short. Now, I'm gonna do the other side. Maybe I should have done that whole comb length, but man, I had so many dead ends, and the dead ends were so far up my hair. Is that about right? Yeah. Mercy, that's a lot of hair. I'll loosen it up again.
And whew, there's my new do. This is a little shorter than I'm used to, but I think it'll be alright. I did cut a lot off. So there we go. Oh, and I hear somebody awake from their nap. And then of course you can style it however you like, and you can see some subtle framing, but it's fairly even. You can always check in the mirror or get your buddy, husband, roommate to come behind you and check. But I've gotten decently good at it, so I need to get a before and after picture. Oh no, I already did the before. I need an after picture now. Wow, I feel so much lighter. This is a little shorter than I wanted, but that's okay. It'll grow back in no time, I'm sure. And with the baby coming, I'm sure I'll be okay. Sometimes I'll do another layer. If my battery wasn't dying and my child wasn't awaking, I probably would do another layer. And all you do to do that is you do the same 3 cuts, except you only do it. So I would separate this top half and I would hold on to that, and I wouldn't cut this bottom half at all. I would just do the top. So I would comb all of this forward, cut a couple inches off, and then I would secure the back. I would comb all of this to the side, a couple inches off, and then this side, and that's how you get a more stark layer. There you go. Hello, and welcome to round 2. My hair is dry. Well, as you can see, my hair naturally parts on the side, and I've noticed once I part it down the middle on the back, I'm a little lopsided. We gotta fix that. It's an easy fix, so I'm just gonna spray the ends and do a little ch-ch. Brought to you by my mom's bathroom. Thanks, Mom. I guess I should also say that I am by no means a professional. I have never cut anyone's hair except for myself, my mom's one time, and my kids. My husband takes care of himself. He just buzzes, so that's easy. If you see grays, I will just like to say that those are my crown of glory. I have earned those grays, children, and hopefully wisdom. So we can see here that they are not very even. Again, got my trash can. We are going to eyeball. So I'm only going to cut off about that much. So it's just like looks like there's more hair on this side. So I'm going to eyeball this. I have a mirror right here, kind of at an angle. And do some of this action. I saw it on a YouTube video, so it must be correct. Oh, I should have cleaned off this mirror.
Hi, if you can't tell, I am a new YouTuber who doesn't have anything prepared.
Now, does that look more even? You guys think I've never done this before. I have, I promise. I just haven't done it in a while. Maybe I need to taper some of this. More tapering. And this looks like a very stark change. So I want to taper maybe that a little bit. And what's the old joke? What's the difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut? 2 weeks. So in about 2 weeks, it won't be quite as chubby. I want to taper a little bit more. We're almost even. Hairdressers are gonna watch this. I mean, probably not, but hairdressers are gonna watch this and be like, what the heck is this girl doing? Okay, we did it. And by we, I mean me, but you guys supported me, or just laughed. But that's okay, I laughed at myself too. Yes, that looks much more even. I guess I'm gonna cut some of this back. Yes, I think we're gonna cut some of that back. I'm probably overthinking this anyway. Okay, I mean that looks decently even. Ta-da. Okay, thank you for watering them. Getting a little snack. No. Just with Mommy's hand.
Please don't cut my eyes.
I will not cut your eyes.